axis here.
Woo! Oh, good stuff.
One more, a little lower here, okay? Good.
Ooh. My head's already feeling lighter. I'm just gonna let you do your thing, so.
Go ahead, lift your hair for me.
Okay.
Back down. Okay, so headaches were doing really good. And then they kind of just showed their face a little, now you've had a head cold.
Yep.
Like all of Pittsburgh.
Yep.
And it's kind of pounding up in through here, right?
Yep.
Yep. But last time, how many days do you think you went and it was just...
Honestly, I would say probably a good 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then this all kind of